Gũkũ nĩ kwa Kikuyu podcast. William Ruto ni ahotete manage kunanga na make sure ODM ni yathira na yaharagana, na muthenya wa umuthi ni tuonire maundu macio magikika dhahiri shahiri wega pio. Gladys Wanga ni governor wa Homa Bay. Ndiamenya niki kiuru na Homa Bay tondu of recent andu kuma Homa Bay ni moragitwo na Homa Bay ni ikoretwo igitrend ni undu wa andu kuu kuragwo. Ni tuonire MP wa Kasipul oragirwo kuma Homa Bay. Mundu gwitwo Albert Ochieng ni wa Homa Bay aroragwo. Philip Okech muthenya ira ahurirwo rithathi maandamano-ini no Ngai ni mwega ni survivire. Maundu maingi ni wikikite kwa mwena wa Homa Bay. Mundu gwitwo governor wa Gladys Wanga, governor wa Homa Bay, ni arutire press statement na arekeria thini wa social media platforms yake. No press statement hiyo ndinaikara ame pull down. Kwa tikati riri ni kuhuthiire ni Raila amwire pressure amerute. Likana Raila ethaini wa bread-based government. Ino ni it's just a bread-based government, bread-based government. Oro abroad hawatire. Raila kwa tikati riri nete amwire arute. Niki Raila ona ikuici ciothe cikikite Raila ndararia no gukira akirite. Thiini wa marwa maria Gladys Wanga andikire ni akumithirie thirikari na njira nene muno ni undu wa ikuici na gweta uhoro wa broad based ati oguo tiguo marikanire. Na Gladys Wanga arikia kuga kwaria maundu macio, muthuri wake arutwo thiini wa committee kana eta chair wa committee ya EPRA. Rekana akoretwo akiruta wira kuria kwa EPRA na Ruto amweheria na amreplace na mundu uretwo Haji. Statement ino yetuma muthuri wa Gladys Wanga avutwo thiini wa EPRA kana hirio ta chair wa EPRA na mundu ucio areplacewo ni Haji. Okay? Post hiyo ya Gladys Wanga ekugaho kana ino niyo ekurutete kana ino niyo press statement ile Gladys Wanga ekurutete nere itumire muthuri wake afuto wira ni Ruto. Ekwandikitio statement by Homa Bay Governor Gladys Wanga on extrajudicial killings. Today we stand united in grief and outrage of our nation confronts a wave of police brutality, impunity and extrajudicial killings. The tragic killings of our son Albert Ojwang in police custody has shaken our collective national conscience. Paragraph ya keri. Yet as we mourn Albert, another family in bitter has shattered by the death of Calvin's Omodi Onditi. Guys. A 6-year-old fisherman who allegedly hung himself with his trousers at Kipasi police station bitter. Oyo ni mundu wa gwikoria fisherman wa gutega thamaki na kiakwiririe thiini wa police station. Na maugire atia ati ni kwita eitire na mufuto wake. Is it making sense? Akwiririe for the thiini wa police station eto Kipasi police station bitter. The post-mortem at the Homa Bay County Referral Hospital will reveal the truth. Post-mortem ni irekuo. Yesterday in Nairobi, Philip Okech was shot during protest against this very killings. We watched a video of an armed young man selling mask shot at a point blank range by a masked police officer. This chilling act captured on video underscores the brazen police brutality. Today, Gabriel Mita Chacha, 34-year-old, has been brought to the county referral hospital with life-threatening injuries arising from police beating in Ringeti Island. Maigwa onahena mundu ungihurio Gabriel Mwita Chacha na kiahurio ni Floyd mwandu wa miaka 34 ni gufaita arafaita muturire wake. Akauga ati Gladys Wanga, enough is enough. The perpetrators of this extrajudicial killings must face the full force of the law. The Kenya Police Service must carry their own cross. We condemn this atrocities and demand accountability. The immediate prosecution of 4 officers involved, including those bearing command responsibility. Commitment to the 10-point agenda, the Ordinary Day Agreement explicitly prohibits extrajudicial killings. We are holding broad-based government to this commitment. Our support for this broad-based government does not extend to extrajudicial killings and police brutality. We draw the line on the extrajudicial executions. Illegal and unconstitutional representation is not part of the agreement. Maigwa mudu garis wa gore kuga nakaweta muno ohoro wa broad-based government na agreement ere mekirire nakuga tiriri then agreement yo mekirire meta broad-based all extrajudicial killings ni mashairi sifuna ni athiria by the way nakiuga tiriri ni mwisho wa broad-based government neke maroragana netuona rege mundu ne horo rithathi. What's the use of this broad-based government? No rairai no kirakirite. The big question is eraira aheo kire aheo kaya kigirwo ni gukiria ODM yothe kana leaders othe. Mundu gwito uri ne aragia urengo ne aragia muno arakirio wanga ni aria muthuri wake afutoira tunia mundu governor wa Kisumu Anyang'o nyakoretwo akiaria mundu monieko State House matiraria niki ekai Raila atwikire supreme atia then wa ODM that adwaya angi matiagirwo ni kwaria. You speak then you are told to kindu fulani to then wa thirikari yo niki yet ni tu aragain ye mwenyewe. He's the one gaining. Odi mundu gira gain, odi mundu gira benefit. Then our broad-based government, you know, Raila is the big beneficiary. No one else beneficiary in this broad-based. Only Raila Amolo Odinga. I get the beneficiary. Asha, now Raila Mahati dikiria tu. You see? Nekyo malota maya garis wa gekira akero arute ehenya. But from my point of view, kwigana ya mundu mari Ruto nyamanejete kuritha ni ODM. Raila agioka gucoka atiambie kuri horo politics. ODM ndirakorwo iho igakorwo ithirite na Raila Ruto meguthi hamwe na mwaka wa 2027 it will be the end of ODM party. Kiama kiki kwa tugi very strong then wa miaka 20 iri ehitukite iguthira na rita riri othe magathie ni hamwe. As we speak Raila ndagira andu moke mathure Ruto aca ona andu ake matigi muthikiriria. That's how things are, ladies and gentlemen. Maoni manyu mraiko inyu murona atia murona wikarite atia Kwenye wiki podcast ni mwene gitio kina muno. Musubscribe thini wa channel ya podcast. Tuone kwa demo nagira. Tashio the. Na mudu mothe. Mwana maredea. Thina follow wa Kenya. Thank you. Gumatune amarathimea.